friggin' wind. Whew. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're a Canadian homesteading and how-to channel. Today we're working on the dump truck. Today we're working on the Hustler Raptor SD. I broke my drive belt. I broke the drive belt in the back lot cutting saplings this big. I think a tree must have came up and popped the belt off. So we got to get that changed out. I'll show you how to get in there, how to remove the old one if yours is as mangled as mine was, and the parts and all that coming up. All right guys, well here's the mower. Like I was saying, I was out back cutting around an ash tree with the saplings this thick and something popped off. But turns out it actually snapped the belt. Here's your belt for your deck and mower, and here's my friggin' my drive belt. It's like it popped off and it broke. Ooh, but man, it's tight. It's ripped in there. I hope nothing's really damaged. So I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna figure out a way to reroute it onto this pulley here. All right, well I don't expect you guys to be able to see this because honestly it's a pain in the nuts, but take a pair of bolt cutters and cut this belt right off. Holy f. Yeah, it's jammed in there big time. Pull that belt off. Oh, there it is. Woo. Holy, it melted it. Nice. Well, that's out of there. Let's have a look at her. Cooked. Literally cooked. All right guys, so it's been a couple days now. I was waiting for my belt to show up. I ended up going with this Steens 265699 OEM replacement belt. Got it off Amazon. And you know, it took me a minute or two to figure out the routing of this thing. I ended up going to look at the manual. I'll show you the manual in a second, but how I got the belt on, you know, I took it out of the container. I shoved it up and through this little pocket right here. And then I took I opened the entire belt up there. This spring is off, right? So you're gonna take this spring off. So this is the idler, tensioner rather. Take that off so that this can move. And you're going to open the belt up. And you're gonna wrap it around the two outside hydros. Bring it around this outside hydro on the right. Catch the idler. And then the pulley just goes on the back side of the drive belt. Hopefully you guys can see that right up in there. It just goes on the back side, doesn't go around it. And then it goes, you know, on this side of it, we'll call it. And then just loops around that left side hydro. All right guys, hope you can see this okay. So what I got here is the drive belt diagram. And it's rotated, but this is the front of the tractor. And yeah, so basically, you know what I did, like I said, I was able to shoot the belt up between the left side hydro and the drive, open the whole belt up. I know I'm repeating myself, but open the whole belt up, wrap the outside of the belt around the two hydros, and then kind of, you got to wiggle your fingers in here, get on that tensioner, and then just the back side of that drive, and then you're good. Basically, I'm pretty sure the last move I did was the this tensioner here. Okay, and then getting this back on wasn't too bad, being the spring. I just took a pair of needle nose, and I pulled as hard as I could the tensioner this way, and then I took with my left hand, hooked the needle nose onto the little hook, and it wasn't too bad. And I just double and triple checked that all my pulleys are lined up good, and you know, before I don't want this thing popping off because it is kind of a peckerhead to get in there. And yeah, I just idled it right up to max there for about 10 minutes, and I mean nothing seems to be popping off or anything like that. And then I just made sure I had my deck belt wrapped around the drive there, so we're good that way. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Pretty straightforward video here. Kind of when you're looking at the drive belt, like, because mine exploded. I had no idea how to put it back on. When you're looking at it, you kind of wonder how the hell you're going to get the belt up and around all that stuff. Like I said, it goes up through the hole, around the backside, and then the actual drive pulley, the belt just goes around the one side of it. And then with all that tension, that's enough to spin it. So pretty straightforward. If you got a Hustler, you want to subscribe. We've got some maintenance videos on this Hustler here and some just fun everyday stuff. Yeah, we got this 10-acre property out here. We're just pecking away at it year by year, and this has been a really solid mower. Definitely a really good purchase. So yeah, anyhow, if you guys want to see more videos, you can subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.